All right, I'm excited. So let's go on with our demo. So I published this post on, I don't know, 12th of December. I think on 13th of December. The idea is very simple. We have a node that has a HDD disk attached to it, and we have another node which has SSD disk attached to it. And we want Kubernetes to schedule the pods to the node that has SSD disk for better performance. Let's look at the demo. There are no pods here. I have a 3-node deployment. I want to label one of these nodes with SSD disk is equal to SSD, because this will allow me to schedule the pods on this specific node, right? So I have this disk.yaml. It's again a simple nginx deployment. It has 3 replicas and it's looking for disk is set to SSD and the pods are scheduled there. Very basic. kubectl apply -f kubectl get pods void. Nice. Okay, the pods are getting scheduled and the pods are getting scheduled on the right worker node, right? Let's say if we want to take this node to some maintenance mode and we introduce my second node and we have SSD there, right? So let's set up SSD on my worker node 2. Let's remove my worker node. I'm just taking off the label here so that the pods are scheduled on the SSD disk, right? Now here is the interesting part. I am deleting this node pod. I'm deleting this pod, and look what happens. It's very interesting. The pod is automatically scheduled on worker node 2. I mean, this process becomes seamless. If you are introducing new worker nodes with SSD drives, you can just add the label and then scale up the deployment and scale down the deployment. All the pods are scheduled to the new worker nodes and everything falls in place. It's that simple. It's really simple. Yeah, so this is something that I want to share today. Found this useful, and until next time, have a wonderful day ahead.